Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Ramsey Custom Shop. My name is Gary. It's been a couple of weeks since I made a video and got a few things to update you guys on. The first thing is this trailer that you see behind me right here. You've probably seen that in many videos over the years. I've had it about 10 or 12 years. I bought it brand new. It served me well, but it's time to go. About a month ago, I went to the port and brought the press brake back. I hauled it on this trailer. It was a little bit unsafe. It's not the best setup for something heavy like that. So we've done an upgrade and gone to a Gooseneck style trailer, and wanted to just talk to you a little bit about that. But if anybody is in this area, is interested in this car hauler trailer, it's in good shape. You know, it still pulls good, and it's got 14 ply tires on it that are pretty new. So if you're in the area and you're interested in something like that, just hit me up. But let's take a look at the new stuff. So the thing that was the first clue that we needed to upgrade the trailer is the hitch. Come and take a look at what happened. But you can see the hitch is slightly bent down, and that happened when we hauled the press brake back. So we've upgraded to a gooseneck style hitch, and I went with a B&W turnover ball. So if you check out the ball here, this particular trailer hitch style, you can pull a lever and pull the ball out, flip it over, and it'll sit flat, so you get the full use of the bed of your truck. So you guys maybe remember my son Matt came down and helped me with the install a couple weeks ago, and it went pretty well overall. If you look down here, you can kind of see the how it bolts to the frame and sandwiches between the frame. The only thing I didn't like about the kit is the exhaust now interferes with the hitch mount. So what they do is they give you a drop down bracket that drops your exhaust down, and you see how low that is. So from that standpoint, it was not designed very well, that they give you an actual bracket. You can see that bracket there to drop your exhaust hanger down. And over the years, I've seen many of these F-250 trucks with the exhaust hanging low. I'm like, why is that? But that's why. That's just how they do it. And let's get a look at the trailer real quick. So we got a PJ gooseneck trailer. This is just a tandem single setup with 7,000-pound axle. So I think you know, from a shop and business point of view, we're going to be possibly dealing in a little bit more equipment. You guys saw the press brake. I just sold that and delivered it to North Carolina to some guys over there. I'm overlaying a few pictures, as you're seeing on the screen, of that trip. And so it was about, you know, 2,000 miles round trip, and I have family over there, so it just kind of worked out that he could pay me a little bit of money, and I could deliver that to him and visit family while I was there. But I'm getting my new press brake, and I'm also going to pick up about 3 other press brakes and 2 iron workers, and so I'll have those for show on the channel. Some of it I'm going to keep for myself and use. One of them is already sold, and then a couple more will be available for sale. I'm going to get 3 30-ton press brakes that are a little under 6 feet wide with a CNC backstop and all that, and I'll be able to sell those for somewhere in the $9,500 range, which I think is a really good deal. So anyway, I just wanted to show you a little bit about the new trailer and let you know what was going on around here. When I get back here from Houston and get the other press brakes, I'll show you those. Also, this F-250. But the one thing I wanted to show you about was how many tools it took that I broke, or that me and Matt broke actually, trying to get the bed of the truck loose. So an impact one and 2 and 3 regular ones. Take a look. All right, so to get that hitch in, we had some issues that we ended up having to raise the bed up partially. So we had to take all the bolts holding the bed in. And that was my first time ever doing that. And man, what a chore it was. Broke all those and ended up having to, on a couple of them here, I got up in here and TIG welded these nuts to it. And it took that to actually get them out of there. And so the question for you guys is, how many of those would you have broken before you resorted to other measures to getting that out? So leave a comment and let me know, would you break 1, 2, 3, 4? How many would it take? And I know everybody's going to say, oh, well, you know, why didn't you heat it up, or why didn't you do this? We tried everything. We tried a torch on both sides. We tried impact. We tried breaker bars, you know, everything and anything, trying to get those out. And they've got some massively strong thread locker, Loctite, holding them in. So that was what we were doing with. The one thing that Shut Your Face Garage said was an attachment that goes on a air hammer and along with a wrench. And then there's another one you can hit with a hammer, a shake and bake, or I can't remember what the name of it was. Those are the only two things I didn't have and didn't try. But this worked well. This just took a couple minutes and we're able to get it right out of there with those. So I'll have to pull those back out and grind those, the heads of those nuts off. But leave a comment. Let me know. All right, guys, you will not want to miss the next shop update where I introduce you to my new forklift driver. You have to check it out.